Hello everyone, my name is Meghna and I am currently studying in Vishnu Institute of Technology at CSE branch. In this video, I will be explaining some of the most important topics in JavaScript, including objects, functions, the difference between where, let and constant, and also JavaScript modules. I'll also give some examples for each concept so you can understand them easily. Let's begin. Objects in JavaScript. JavaScript objects are one of the most powerful and commonly used parts of the language. What is an object? An object in JavaScript is a collection of key value pairs. Each key is a property name and its value can be anything like text, numbers, functions, or even other objects. Here you can see that basic example of the JavaScript. We have to write the syntax like let and some variable name by opening some braces. In this object we have three properties name, age and each student. Accessing object values. We can access the values using dot notation. In JavaScript the print statement is console.log person name and the output comes on the table. We can also use bracket notation and also we can modify and add properties in JavaScript. Now let's coming to the functions in JavaScript. What is a function? A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Here is a simple function with some parameters and arguments. Functions can also take input and return output. Why are functions important? They avoid code repetition, help organize logic, make code more readable. There are different ways to write functions. Function declaration, function expression, arrow functions. Arrow functions are shorter and commonly used in modern JavaScript. Difference between where, let and constant is this is a very common question in interview. Where it is used for function scope. It can be redeclared and updated. Supports hoisting. It is moved to the top during execution. Where 10 is equals to 10, where x is equals to 20. And this is a no error. Let. What is the use of let means? Block scoped. Block scoped means it works only inside curly braces. It can be updated but not redeclared in the same scope. Let y is equals to 10, y is equals to 20. There is no error in that. Constant. Constant is a block scoped and cannot be updated or redeclared used for constants. Let's see a quick example with all the three. Only A is accessible because it is very declared using there. Let and constant say inside the block. JavaScript modules. Modern JavaScript allows us to split codes into modules. What are the modules? Modules are JavaScript files that export variables, functions or classes so they can be used in other files. Why we have to use modules? Through modules we can organize our code better, reuse code easily, avoid conflicts in large programs. Let's say we have a file called math.js. Now we want to use it in another file main.js. With ES6 modules we can write cleaner and more organized JavaScript code. Make sure to use the type module between the two braces. Attribute in your HTML if you are using modules in the browser. Let's quickly review what we have learned today. Objects in JavaScript. It can store data as key value pairs. Functions allow us to reuse code and make our programs efficient. Where, let and constant, these are the declarable variables but they behave differently. Modules help us write clean, maintainable and reusable code. Modules are used for organizing our code better and reuses code easily and it avoids conflicts in larger programs. We can access one file through another file, another HTML file. I hope this video helped you understand these JavaScript concepts clearly. Thank you so much for your watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. If you want more videos like this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. All the best with your coding journey. So you see you in the next video. Bye guys.